Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video we're gonna discuss how we can break a singleton class with cloning. Okay, so as you know, singleton a design pattern which ensure only one object or one instance of that class inside that JVM. Okay, so let's see how we can break this rule by using cloning. Okay, so we know that cloning is the process we can where we can create the same copy of that object. Okay, so now let's see how we can break the singleton pattern with cloning, and we can see how to prevent that one as well. Okay, so if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it. And if you see here, a lot of other videos are there. You can go through my channel and watch them as well. Okay, so let's jump into today's discussion. Okay, so already I have a singleton class is dateutil, and if you'll see here I have a private constructor. Okay, and I have implements clonable interface, and once you'll implement clonable interface, it will ask to override this clone method. So it's simply we have overridden this clone method, and we are calling this a super class clone method. Okay, and we are returning uh, the copy of this object clone. Okay, so in this way we can create we can clone the object. Okay, so here I have added different code to prevent breaking of the singleton or other mechanism. Okay, so for cloning part, so this we need to remember, we need to implement clonable interface, and we need to implement clone method. Okay, now let's see to test so whether it's breaking or not. Cloning test. So what I have done here, first dateutil instance 1 is equal to dateutil.get instance. So in dateutil.get instance, so if it will check if the instance is not created, so then it will create the instance by using constructor, and it will return the instance. If we'll call second time onwards, so this instance is already will be there, right? So that time it will this if condition will not execute, and it will return the existing object. Okay, so once we have called this one, so here we'll get this object, and next what we are doing, we are cloning that object. So instance1 dot clone. Okay, so we have cloned that object. So here now we have two objects, instance1 and instance2. Let's see, as this class is singleton, so both the objects are same or not. So as we are breaking using cloning, so both the objects will be different and their hash code will be different. So let's run, and you will see we'll get two different hash codes. So let's run. So we can break the singleton using reflection API, using serialization, and using cloning as well. So already I have explained how to break the singleton class using serialization, and how to break the singleton class using reflection, and how to prevent them as well. So I will give the description link in the I will give that link of those videos in the description section. You can watch them as well, right? So this is a very popular interview question you will get. Yeah, we got the output. If you'll see here, the hash code of instance 1 is 173560054, and the hash code of instance 2 is 216856669. So if you'll see here, two different hash code we are getting. Okay, so that means two different objects we are getting, and we are breaking the singleton. Okay, now let's see how we can prevent this one. Okay, how we can prevent this one? Pretty simple. Let's go to this singleton class, and if you'll see here in clone method, what we can do, we should not clone, so we should throw some exception that no, clone is not supported. Okay, so let's do that one. Okay, Let me remove this entire thing, this one as well. Throw new clone, some not supported exception. Singleton class clone not supported. Okay, so this is a unhandled exception. So clone not supported exception, it seems it's a checked exception. So as you know, checked exceptions means we need to bound to handle the exception by using try catch block or throws keyword. So we can throw this exception. Okay, then let's go to our test class. So here already I have added this throws clone not supported exception. Now let's run this one and we're gonna see. So here also we'll get uh, here we'll get null pointer exception, because at line number 6 we'll get the exception. I think we'll not get. Let's run this one. So line number 6 will get the exception. Clone not supported exception will get. So line number 6 will get the exception. So that means line number 7 and 8 it will not execute. So line number 7 and 8 it will not execute, and we cannot see like hash code of instance 1, that hash code it will not print, because line number 6 will get the exception. So as you know the rule of exception, once we'll get the exception, from that line onwards it will skip. Okay, so if you will put the case block, it will the control will go to the case block. Okay, but we are not having any case block, we are throwing the exception in the method signature. Okay, so it's building, then it will run and we're gonna see. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see. I need to change somewhere the setting because it's taking some time to running this applications. Okay, if you'll see here, exception thread main java.lang clone not supported exception, singleton class clone not supported. Okay, so in this way we can prevent the singleton breaking by cloning. Okay, so hope you got a crystal clear idea that how we can prevent the singleton design pattern from cloning by using this clone not supported exception here. Okay, so thank you for watching guys, and have your valuable comments in the comment section, which will help me to to create more such videos for you people. Okay, so thank you for watching.